Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for checking out my video. So this video you're going to see the swipe and spin technique for this particular painting, and I wanted to do something kind of simple when it came to the colors, nature inspired colors. So I used different shades of green as well as some gold in there for some added sparkle, and I'm really liking how it turned out. The formula as well as the colors that I use will be listed in the description box, so please don't forget to check that out. I also have online courses available for the swipe and spin technique, as well as other courses that are on my website, crystalcoastoriginals.com. I'm also working on a couple of more online courses, so I'm excited for those to be available for you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.